10 strongest and destructive earthquakes in world history. What have been the strongest and destructive earthquakes in world history? Here is the list of the strongest earthquake events. The 10 most powerful and destructive earthquakes. For all of the following earthquakes, seismic activity was recorded very accurately and their magnitude was worked out using the Richter scale, a measurement system based on calculating the amplitude of ground shaking detected by seismographs. So what were the 10 strongest earthquakes in the last since 1900? Here is the list. Valdivia, Chile. Magnitude 9.5 degrees. May 22, 1960. Sumatra, Indonesia. Magnitude 9.3 degrees. December